Manufacturing in the UK is one of our most important sectors. It's responsible for over 2.5 million jobs. It's responsible for 50% of our exports, and we're also the 8th biggest producer in the world. Against this backdrop, the adoption of advanced digital technologies for manufacturing could mean over 400 billion of revenue impact to the UK economy, over 170,000 jobs all over the next 10 years. We've identified a number of challenges right through the manufacturing sector that we believe digital technology can have a real impact on. These include things like being over time, being over budget, having complex supply chains where visibility is low, and also increased fraud right throughout that supply chain. Digital Catapult is well positioned to make an impact in the manufacturing sector because we have expertise in cutting-edge digital technologies. We're at the centre of the innovation ecosystem in the UK, and we're also embedded within the manufacturing community.